So, what is stock footage? It is not footage of your stock portfolio, but it could be footage of you watching your stock portfolio. Hello everyone, my name is Joel and today you're gonna learn what stock footage is. If you already don't know what stock footage is, you have probably seen it hundreds of times, probably many times per day. Stock footage is used everywhere, in TV, movies, documentaries, commercials, everywhere. Stock footage or stock video or B-roll are short clips that are inserted in a larger video production to keep the storyline or story flow better. So if you have seen a drone shot of a city skyline, of a forest somewhere in the world, that is probably stock footage. It's much more cheaper for the big companies to buy stock footage of, let's say, a drone shot of a city skyline or a drone shot of a snowy forest somewhere in Lapland than send a big film crew to film it. Time, money and resources are saved with stock footage for the big companies, and that means that you can capitalize on that. And if you want to learn how to make money or passive income with stock footage, you should hit that subscribe button and the like button to warm me up, because it's freezing out here, and I will teach you how to make money in the next video to come. See you then.